guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are in a thunderstorm. Well, not. Oh yeah. We've got a lot of hail and rain. Not that much lightning or thunder. At the first, it was like a lot of thunder, but then like the lightning started when it started to rain. Then I was like, why, that cloud did not paint for like a month, and it should have peed in down, or could have waited down until it got to Washington D.C. Because now it rained on us, and I'm almost soaked. But we left just in time because we were going to my cousin's house, and it has been a big one. So if you guys are in the storm, the storm is May 30th, 2022. Yeah, that's the date, and I also upload it. Over here it looks like there's gonna be a tornado over there. See, it kind of looks like this. Oh my god! Yeah, that's kind of tornado season. We are in tornado season. Gosh. Oh, it just got so dark. Oh my god. I am kind of scared. Oh yeah, we're in a thunderstorm. Can you turn it up? So yeah, we're in a thunderstorm. Yeah, we're in a thunderstorm. Looks like clouds are moving so fast. That looks like, look how fast that. Like, I know we're moving so fast. Those clouds are moving like speeding. I can't even believe it. We're kind of getting out of it. We're just there, but now we're out of it. So sorry, I'm a little too close there. So yeah, this if you guys are in the storm, I thought we were gonna get a power outage, but we left too soon. It could happen. But if you guys are in the storm, I hope you guys are okay. For tornadoes, maybe lightning strikes, because this one is probably the heaviest one we've got since like a week. Like 2 weeks ago, there was this big thunderstorm down by Arnold and Delmont, and it was so, like, we got a power outage. There was like a lot of severe thunderstorm warnings. Like I got one on my phone. I think I got a little bit more because I just didn't have my phone. And that one got like a power outage. There was 3 tornadoes. There was one in Trip. There's another one. I forgot where that one was. Okay, so one was in Trip. I forgot the other 2, but there were tornadoes there. I didn't even see the tornado. And like by Twitch. Okay. So yeah, I think so. I will see you in the next one. Peace.